In today's video, we are going to deal on reverse what now? Bearing, okay? The concept of reverse bearing follows the same pattern, what we call a three-digit what now? Bearing. Look at this. Any question under reverse bearing, our angular movement, that is the diagram that we want to draw, must start from the knot. I underline the knot just to show more emphasis on how important the knot is. So any diagram want to have under reverse bearing, we must start from the what now? From the knot, okay? Then that our movement must be in the clockwise direction. Take note of this. Movement starting from the knot and move in the clockwise what now? Direction. That is the second point. Then the third point, which is very key, that our target should be the what now? The line that joins the 2 points. If you can understand these three key concepts, you can draw any diagram under what now? Reverse what now? Bearing. Okay, are you with me? Now look at this. Let's take this question. We have these 4 questions to be solved, okay, to show more analysis on the reverse what now? Bearing. Look at the first one. And we know that under reverse bearing, we have these 4 points. We have our north, we have our what now? Our south, we have our west, and we have our what now? Our east. Take note of this. From here to here is what now? 90, meaning the angle between north and east is what now? Is 90. So I have 90 degrees here, which is the first quadrant. Are you with me? I'm moving clockwise. This will be the second quadrant. So from south to east, I can have what now? 90 degrees here. From south to west, I can have what now? 90 degrees here. Then from north to west, I can have what now? 90 degrees. Are you with me? So it means each quadrant is 90 degrees. Okay? From here to here is 90. From here to here is 90. From here to here is 90. From here to here is also what now? 90. So everything is what now? 360 degrees. Take note of that concept. So the angular movement must start from the north. Movement must be in the clockwise direction. Target the line that joins the 2 points. Okay, so let's take the first one. 40. Where can we see 40? 40 will be in the first quadrant. Okay, because everything is 90, so 40 will be in the first quadrant. So the bearing of A from B, so A from B, so that B first. The bearing of what? A from B. What is it? Is 40 degrees, and we must start from the north. So this is our north. Are you with me, class? So 40 will be here. 40 will be here. So we have our point here. 40 what now? 40 degrees. So we're now to find the bearing of what now? Of B from A. B from A. So this is the points. Look at this. These are what? These are our what? B. These are what now? These are our A. Now, are you with me? These are point A. These are point what? Point A. Okay. We're now to find the bearing of what now? Of B from what now? From A. Meaning, start from the north again. Okay. Move in the angular what now? Move in what now? Clockwise direction. Until you get to the line that joins the 2 together, you now stop there. That's why we say we should target the line that joins the 2 points. So this is point A, this is point B. So I'll start from the north. I'll move in this direction. Okay, move. When I get to the line that joins them together, that's our target. I will stop here. Are you with me now? The line that joins them together is our target. So this is the line that joins them together. So we'll stop on that line that joins the 2 together. Are you with me? So let us go for our 90. How many 90 can we see here? So we can see 190 here. Okay. 90 is here, so you break it down. You can see another 90 here. Okay, so we need this small angle. We need this small angle that is here. We need this small angle so that we can add everything together to form the bearing. Are you with me now? And look at this. Look at this. If this way is 40, automatically this way should be equal to what now? 40. What we call alternate what now? Alternate angles. Look at this. Alternate angle will form this shape. Alternate angle can form this shape. Okay, under bearing, we must know what we call alternate angle. If this place is what? Is X. This place should be equal to what now? X. If this one is what? Is Y. This one should be equal to what now? Y. What is the reason? They are alternate what now? Angles. And alternate angles are what now? They are equal. So look at this. If from here, look at this. Look at the shape. N shape. N shape. So it means this is equal to what now? 40 what now? 40 degrees. Why? Because they are alternate what? Angles. So what's now the bearing? The bearing of B from A. So B from what? From A. That will give us what now? 90 degrees plus 90 degrees plus what now? 40 degrees. So that will give us what? 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 40, that will give us what now? 220 what degrees. Are you with me? Look at this. Just take this note of this one. These 3 key points. The angular movement must start from the north. Start from the north. What's the next thing? We'll move what now? In the clockwise direction. We'll move in the clockwise direction. What is the third one? We target the line that joins the 2 points. So it means If I want to stop, I must stop on the line that joins the two together. Are you with me now? Look at this. When I want to draw what now? A from B. We start from what now? North. And we'll stop on this line that joins the two together. Okay? If you want to draw what now? B from A. We'll move, start from the north, move in the clockwise direction, and we'll stop at on the line that joins the two together. Let's take another question. Okay? Let's see the second question. Look at this. 130. The bearing of A from B. So we're starting from B is 130 degrees. Class, where can we see 130? 130 will be fine in the what now? In the second quadrant. 130. Okay? So we have this. We have this. Are you with me? So this is our what now? Our B. We're starting from the what now? From the north. We move clockwise direction. So we move clockwise direction. Look at this. This one is 90. We can't stop here because everything is 130. So 130 can be found here. 130 can be found here. So I will now draw. Are you with me? So it means this is the line that joins them together. I've stopped there because this is the line that joins them together. So these are our point what now? Our point. These are point what? Point A. These are point A. So everything here is what now? Is 130. Class, always break it down in form of what? 1990. That would be very easy, okay? Once you can break it down in form of 1990, you can solve any question under what now? Reverse bearing, okay? So how many 90 can I see here? I can see 190. From here to here is what now? 90 degrees. Are you with me? So what will be the remaining angle to make what now? 130. So 130 minus 90 will give us what now? 40. So it means this small angle here. This small angle here. Are you with me now? This small angle here equals to what now? 40 degrees. So can I see any other angle? Yes, yes, yes. S shape. So look at this. Z shape. Look at this. It's coming like this. So it means if one is 40, this place 2 because to what now? 40. Are you with me? 40 degrees. So what is now the bearing of what? B from A? I will start from the north. I will move in the clockwise direction. Okay? Move it until when I get to this place, I will now stop. Okay? This is the line that joins them together. That's our target. This line is our target. So I'm going to stop on this line that joins the two together. So how many 90 can I see here? I can see 90 here. I can see 90 here. You see it? I can see 90 here. So don't be afraid. Break it down. 90, 90, 90. It's very easy like that. So it means I'm going to add this to this to this to this angle here. Okay? To add the bearing of what now? Of B from A. So that will give us what now? 90 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 90 degrees plus what now? 40 degrees. So 90 plus 90 is 180. Okay? 180 plus 90 is what now? 270. 270 plus 40. That will give us what now? 310 what now? So it means the bearing of what now? Of B from A is 310 degrees. Let's take the third question. Okay, I think we are getting this concept. So always break it down. Follow these 3 rules. Break it down. Bearing is very easy. Okay, just follow these 3 rules and you break it down. That's all. In form of what? 90, 90, 90. So 250 is the next one. I'll wipe this one off. 250 is the next one. So the bearing is what now? 250. Bearing of A from B is, where can we find 250? 250 can be found in the third quadrant. Okay, so 250 will be here. 250 is here. Start from the north, move clockwise. You can find 250 here because this is 90. 250 can be found in the what now? In the third quadrant. So we draw the line that joins them together. Draw the line that joins them together. Are you with me? So these are 250, meaning everything here is what now? 250. Okay, so this is the line. These are points what now? Points. This is not. So these are what now? The bearing of A from B. So these are B. And this will be our what now? Our A. Class, look at this. Let's just break it down. 250. In form of what? 90. So we have what? 90. Another what now? 90. Okay. So what am I going to add here to make 250? This is 180. 250 minus 180. That is what now? 70. So it means this small angle here is what now? Is 70. You have to break it down. Once I give it any big angle, break it down in form of 90. Okay. To have the remaining angle. So this is the what? This 70 is the remaining angle to make 250 degrees. Are you with me? 90 plus 90 is what? 180. 180 plus 70 is what now? Is 250. Okay. So any alternate angle here. Okay. Look at this. It's from N shape. Look at this. It's coming like this. It's coming like this. So one is going up, one is coming down. Okay. So this place is what now? Is 70 what now? That is the alternate angle. Okay. What are the bearing? What is the bearing of B from A? This is our A. What will be the bearing, class? Our target is the what? The line that joins them together. So this is the line that joins them together. So what now the bearing? The bearing of what now? Of B from A is just what now? Is 70 degrees. That's our target. This is the line that joins them together. And that's our what now? Target. You must understand the concept of what now? Alternate angle is very key under what? Reverse bearing. Alternate. I told you, alternate angle must form shape like this. Like this. It can form like something like this. N shape. N shape. Z shape. Are you with me? Or two-sided one like this, normal one like this. So it must form shapes like this. And look at this one. It forms something like N shape. N shape. So that was why we said 70 is here. 270 is also here. Let's take the last one. The bearing is what now? 320. Where can we see 320? 320 can be found in the fourth quadrant. So we'll take the fourth quadrant. Okay, fourth quadrant. So we are moving fourth quadrant. The bearing of what now? Of B. Bearing of A from B in the fourth quadrant. So we'll move like this. Okay, start from the north, move clockwise like this. We can find our 320 in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. So these are what? Our B. Bearing of A from B. So we're looking for the bearing of B from what? From A. Look at this. Look at this. Are you with me? So stop here. These are what now? This is the bearing of A. Start from the north. These are north. Are you with me? So these are B. These are what now? Our A. Okay. So everything here is what now? Is 320. All the angle is what? Is 320. So let us break it down. So we have what now? 90. Okay. Another what now? 90. Okay. Another what now? 90. Okay. So this is what now? This is what? Everything here is what now? 270. So 320 minus 270, that will give us what now? 50. So it means this small angle here, the remaining angle here is what now? Is 50 what? 50 degrees. 90 plus 90, that is what now? 180. 180 plus 90, that is 270. Okay? 270 plus 50, that will give us what now? 320 degrees. So any alternate angles, can we see any alternate angle? Can we see? Okay, look at this, look at this. This one is pointing to this place. This one is pointing. So it means this place is what? Is 50 degrees. So are you with me? This is the alternate. This one is what? Is 50 what now? Degrees. So what's now the bearing? I'll start from the north. Okay? I'll move like this, 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 move like this. When I get to the line, this is our target. I will now stop there. We always stop on our target line, the line that joins the 2 points together. So it means this place is what now? Is 90 degrees. So the bearing of what now? The bearing of B from A is 90 plus what now? Plus 50 degrees. And that will be what? 140 degrees. Now, so in the next what now? In the next video, we are going to take a question that has to do with what now? Bearing and distance. Okay? We solve a comprehensive question on bearing and distance. So you can just view what now? Review the video and the solutions to this. Okay? This video is well explanatory under what now? About what now? Bearing. I will put the links of other 2 videos under what now? Under bearing, meaning our compass bearing and our what now? 3D bearing in the description below. Okay? Comment, like the video if you enjoyed this video, like it, comment in the comment box below, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.